Pero you know what? Serious talk. I never thought other people would believe in my music. Pero kayo, grabe kayo! Pinakaharap ko dati. Pero alam nyo, before other people believe in you, kailangan mo rin pala maniwala sa sarili mo. I finally know what I was made for. I was made to perform. And deep in my heart, I really hope that I can inspire more people. And believe it or not, guys, ito na. I'm so blessed that I'm one of the creative producers ng nakakabaliw! Pero sanay naman po sila sa akin. Baliw po ako pag nag-perform. Pero, you know, marami pa kayong dapat abangan tonight. Marami pang pasabog. And also, gusto ko rin pasalamat sa mga brands who believed in me. Believe it's presented by Pons, Close-Up, and Sunsilk. And also, I'd like to thank all of you who streamed and downloaded my EP, Believe. Thank you so much, guys. Grabe yung pagpaplano namin sa album na to. So maraming salamat po. But you know, sa EP yon, wait, lalapit muna ako. There's one particular song there that I'd like to dedicate to all of you. Madalas we think we need heroes in our lives, diba? To save us. Pero all it takes pala is for us to find our own strength and discover that we are our own hero.